Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to define and use variables in Python. A variable is a quantity that can vary according to the user. First step is to create a new variable. Go to the Variables section and create a new variable. After that, we will be picking blocks from the turtle section. Pick the import turtle block from the import section. The next will be the turtle block. This block is used to define the turtle. The first block will be the screen block. This block is used to define the screen. Now from the Variables section, pick up the variable block. Add in a for loop from the loops section. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section and place them in the for loop. The turtle forward blocks specify that the turtle will move in the direction specified. We will add in 2 forward blocks. Add in a variable block from the Variables section inside the for loop. Now head back to the variable block and enter the number. Toggle the second forward block to left. Perform a final check, and if correct, run the code. The desired shape starts forming. Similarly, you can use different variables in different projects.